What's good, YouTube guys? I just helped my friend move into this apartment that I showed in yesterday's apartment tours video. I had the price about this place wrong. This place is not 400 and anything. This place is $266 per month. So that's 7 million dong per month. Comment down below how y'all feel about that price. But before I do more of this vlog today, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notifications bell. And yeah, let me talk to y'all about some stuff. All right, this is what she had. They added this rug to the room, and then they added these 2 pillows to the room. This place also comes with Wi-Fi included, and I don't know if there's any amenities. Do you know if you got a pool and a workout center?
I don't know, but also they added little stuff in here like shampoo and towels and the trash and stuff.
Hey, okay. So some of the stuff they added is this came with dishes. They added shampoo and body wash if this wasn't already in here yesterday. This is for $266 a month, guys. Helping my friend unpack. Been just chatting. Do y'all like these Hershey's Kisses? But yeah, I gotta eat dinner tonight. And yeah, I'll take it from there in a second job. Let me be a helping hand with my size. I just bought myself a snack. It's these fried bananas that I love to get in my local area. They were 6,000 a piece. And then I'm also about to get myself a mango smoothie. The mango smoothie costs 15K. So that's 15K plus 6K just for a snack. That's less than $1. If you guys were curious how much I'd be paying to have a little enjoyment money. All right, so here goes the banana. These are fire, man. And then here goes the mango smoothie, guys. My brush is at home. Let me try today's smoothie, though. Yep, tastes just like I remember. Meme was hilarious. It's the life I'm trying to have.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Milk and sugar in it?
Milk and sugar? It tastes real sweet.
I just want to know.
If she did, will you get it again?
Not as often as I want to.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a little Q&A for a second while I chill. Paul in Thailand asked, what's it like for visa there? I heard you have to leave a country every 30 days. Nah, bro, you only gotta leave a country every 90 days. And it can be a same day border run where you come right back into the same city the same day. Profile Stark 553 asked, can you tell me where I can work remotely while living in Vietnam? If you know how to teach English, Profile, maybe you can get a online English teaching job out here. Remotely, the only other things that I can tell you expertise about is like YouTube ad revenue or music stream revenue. Those are the only 3 remote things I can think of for you. But hopefully one of those planted an idea in your mind. Bill Smith 2915 said, is he another former military dude? Nah, bro, I've never been to the military. I just built myself a music streams income monthly, and now it covers my living in Da Nang. Better than it covered my whole living in America, at least. Orvis Kid said, how much is healthcare over there? Left out a big bill right there. Orvis, I know how much dentist appointments can be and how much dermatologist appointments can be. I got a dental cleaning a couple weeks back here in Da Nang for like $9 US, and then I had a dermatologist appointment out here in Da Nang for like $30, and they gave me cortisone injections in my face. So those are some of the things that I can give you my 2 cents on, but I don't know more things so far. Yeah, y'all, that's all I'm gonna answer for right now, but I appreciate y'all watching, man. I need to give me some dinner. Let's just see what happens next. All right, guys, I am at the beach now on the next day. It's Sunday. There's a lot that goes on at the beach. I don't think I've ever showed y'all much of what happens, but let me give y'all a couple of things that happen. There's a lot of dancing going on around me. One of the specific dance groups is called Dork Dancing, right there where I'm pointing to. It's a charity dance event that originated in Colorado of America. So it's a beautiful cause that goes on at Dork Dancing. I'll zoom into it a little bit for y'all. Come check it out. Waves, it's beautiful out here. It's a great, beautiful cause, man. And then secondly, the sun is setting. You can see this Da Nang beach sign over there. People take photos. But then one last thing going on is like dance leader instructions. So I guess I could dance with them if I wanted to. That's happening right there. Then there's one more group right there. So yeah, there's a lot going on in Da Nang. It's a lot of infrastructure here, y'all. It is not a third world country. And then also there's a ton of construction happening. So places are still being built. You see that crane right there? This place is evolving and people are coming here to have a good time. So don't doubt that you can come here and have a good time. This is the city skyline right here, man. I love it here. But yeah, I am just about to wrap up this vlog now. Finish having myself a good night, just like these people around me, and then edit this as well and give myself some good dinner. So like always, y'all, buy into your dreams, stay confident, stay consistent, and then hopefully you guys can have some vibes like this if this is what you're dreaming of as soon as possible. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow in the next one. Peace.